In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Godaddy to Squarespace. Whether you're moving your existing website to a new platform or simply prefer Squarespace tools and features, transferring your domain can be a smooth and straightforward process when you know the right steps. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to log into your Godaddy account. Once you're in, navigate to your domain's dashboard. This dashboard is where all your domain management settings reside and is key to beginning the transfer. Find the domain that you wish to transfer and click on it to access more details. Within the domain settings, look for an option that says Domain Lock or something similar. It's crucial to ensure that your domain is unlocked. Domains are usually locked to prevent unauthorized transfers, so this step is necessary to start the moving process. You should then find an option to get your domain's authorization code. This code, sometimes called an EPP code, is like a password for your domain, and you'll need it to authorize the transfer to another registrar. Keep this code safe and accessible, as you'll need it soon. Next, you'll head over to your Squarespace account. Once logged in, go to your Squarespace dashboard and find the option for Domains. This is typically located in the Settings or under the Website section. In Domains, there should be an option that says Start Transfer. Click on this to begin the process on the Squarespace side. Here is where you'll be asked to enter the domain you want to transfer. Enter your domain name and follow the prompts. You'll soon be asked to provide the authorization code you obtained earlier from Godaddy. Carefully enter this code into the required field to ensure the transfer can proceed. After this, Squarespace will confirm whether the domain is eligible for transfer. Assuming everything is in order, you'll be prompted to complete the checkout process. Even though you may have paid for the domain with Godaddy, there might be a fee associated with transferring to Squarespace or renewing the domain during the process. Once the transfer is initiated, you'll receive emails both from Godaddy and Squarespace. The emails will typically ask you to confirm the transfer. Make sure to read through these and follow any additional instructions provided to confirm the process. Approval from both registrars is crucial to ensure there are no hiccups. After all approvals are done, the transfer process will take several days. This waiting period is entirely normal and might take up to 7 days to complete. During this time, you'll still have access to your website and can continue using it as usual without interruptions. In conclusion, transferring your domain from Godaddy to Squarespace involves a few crucial steps. Stay patient throughout the process, and soon your digital presence will be comfortably situated within the Squarespace platform. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you encountered any issues, don't hesitate to check with customer support from either Godaddy or Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your domain transfer.